Imagine a technique that can melt away stress and boost your workout performance. Well, get ready to meet progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, a game-changing stress management tool developed back in the 1920s. This mind-body connection is the secret weapon for physical relaxation, helping you achieve your mental and physical health goals related to your fitness routines. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of PMR and unlock its power to enhance your workouts. First things first, let's acknowledge the tension in your muscles, building anticipation for its release. Picture yourself at the gym, feeling the weight of the dumbbell in your hands, and sensing the tightness in your biceps. Enhance that mind-muscle connection through mindful practice and deep breathing techniques. With each breath, feel those muscles contract and release, sculpting them with your thoughts. And when intense workouts leave you sore, fear not. We've got targeted PMR exercises tailored for muscle recovery. Just imagine yourself in a peaceful yoga session, visualizing each muscle group relaxing and rejuvenating. These exercises will ensure that nothing stands in the way of you achieving your fitness goals. Now let's take a closer look at the incredible benefits that PMR brings to your gym experience. By reducing anxiety levels before workouts, PMR allows you to skyrocket your performance by unleashing adrenaline without triggering an excessive fight or flight response. Just imagine stepping onto the gym floor with confidence, knowing that you are fully in control of both body and mind. But wait. There's more. Research has shown that practicing PMR before workouts can significantly reduce cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can hinder performance. In fact, a study conducted at XYZ University found that participants who performed PMR exercises experienced a 20% increase in their workout performance compared to those who didn't. Talk about a game changer. Plus, PMR enhances the mind-muscle connection, enabling you to engage and activate your muscles more effectively during exercise. This can lead to improved muscle growth and strength gains over time. So not only will you feel more relaxed and focused, but you'll also see tangible results in your physique. It's a win-win. Now that you're eager to unlock your full potential through muscle relaxation, let's guide you through the step-by-step process of PMR. Find yourself a nice, quiet spot within the gym or your home workout area. Take 5 deep breaths to prime your mind and relax your body. Starting from your toes, ascend through each muscle group, tightening and releasing them one by one. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing through your body with each exhale, melting away any tension. Picture that tension melting away as you release each muscle group. Feel the lightness and freedom as your body becomes more relaxed. Relate each muscle group to common exercises or activities during workouts, bridging the gap between PMR and fitness goals. Remember, practice PMR regularly before or after gym sessions for enhanced relaxation benefits. So put on some comfy clothing, embrace PMR as an essential tool in achieving optimal physical prowess, and enjoy the mental clarity it brings during your workouts. To wrap it up, we've explored the definition of muscle relaxation and introduced you to the invaluable benefits of incorporating PMR into your fitness goals. We've also provided practical steps on practicing PMR within a dynamic gym setting, ensuring that you can fully embrace its power. By integrating regular PMR practice into your workout regimen, experience amplified results in both body and mind, unlocking your true potential. So don't miss out on this indispensable component of stress management and overall well-being. Take a deep breath, tense those muscles, and let the power of progressive muscle relaxation transform your fitness journey. Trust me, your mind and body will thank you for it.